Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can clean the blades of a Nova trimmer. You can see the model number here. I have bought it 2 years back and it's working very well. I haven't faced any issue with this trimmer. Okay, now let me show you how to open it. The things that you need are a screwdriver, a star screwdriver, which is a very small in size. As you can see here, you need to remove the attachment and lift the trimmer head slowly. So you can see a plastic latch which just holds on to it. So make sure you don't break this one. There's a motor here. You can see how it rotates. Loosen the screw on both sides. And these are the parts that are inside the trimmer. There are 4 parts: the top part of the blade, the bottom part, a spring, and then plastic stand to which we need to screw all these things. So once you have brushed out and cleaned all the hairs off, what you need to do is take the lower part of the blade, fix the spring here, then while placing this you make sure you put it through the underside of the plastic holder so you can find it fits perfectly. Then hold the top part of the blade, take the screwdriver, when you are tightening the screw, make sure you don't give full tight to it. Tight about 80% and then leave it. Then go on to the next screw. Then this is where you need to put oil. You can use ordinary coconut oil or the oil that has been provided along with the box. Just 1 drop would be enough. You need to put a drop of it here. And then while fixing it, make sure this plastic part goes underneath this steel clamp. See, and then just lock it. Yeah, that's it. It's working perfectly. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video.